Good morning. Just starting a warm-up jog right now. I'm gonna meet Neal at the Brooklyn Navy Yard and we're gonna do some alternating mile reps. Neal's training for a sub 130 half marathon, and so 650 pace is goal pace. So he's just practicing turning it on and off, and I'm going along for support. But also, this fits my base block pretty well. This is a little bit harder than steady effort, which is about as hard as I've been doing reps at the moment. But it's not so hard, you know, that I'm entering like threshold territory and should be able to recover reasonably well. And I think this will just like move the needle aerobically, which is what base building is all about. So gonna go along for this one. See you at the Navy Yard.
Good job, Turbo.
I thought I told you time and time again, this shit won't stop. I bag it show by show, I'm tryna triple and double the pot. Move for at least 6 feet or show or more for him on now. Hooping at 25 rows, all great interior whenever it's cloudy. Every day better my growth, I'm chasing health and wealth, not clout. Bad bitches none of my.
All right, Neal, what's the session today?
We're doing 3x2. Starting off at 7:10 pace with the gear switch down to my goal half marathon pace. And then we get 5 minutes rest in between.
Let's get it.
At the house, I walk on clouds. Soon as I get out this work, I'm out the door, I'm in it out. Every girl slurping and burp just like a perk, I'm in her mouth. Niggas is spins my turf, I got out of the dirt without no doubt. Money keep coming and coming, we saving the winter, this summer we wildin'. I can't even call it freestyling, I'm one of designing, the style ain't free. Travel to go like a charter, I'm going back to Saudi to pick up the cream. Landing that A, hit the office, I got a new offer that I gotta read. I'm the same one, took the top off, I'm one of the rappers, they got him intrigued. Sitting back, land on the summer, I'm coming in hot, 400 degrees. FS, take out the T, sky, they come straight from the tree.
Okay, how was rep 1?
Feels good. I got Taylor Plant 99 chasing me,
baby.
so I know I'm not gonna fail today.
Here's rep 2, 2 miles, 7:10 pace down to 650. This snow is crazy.
It's really coming down in the floor.
So cool.
It was like this when I left the apartment.
Yeah.
And when I was jogging down in Williamsburg, it stopped.
Oh, really?
So it might be like it's just dumping on Greenpoint right now. Greenpoint only.
Greenpoint only. Yeah, it was totally gone in Park Slope.
Snow.
Yeah.
It means Greenpoint, aka the 25% of Brooklyn is snow.
It was supposed to be like snow rain today. Some like mixed sludge.
Yeah.
I'm really happy it's not that.
Yeah.
All right, here's the pickup. 650.
I'm going dark on this one.
Going dark.
Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking hazel? Is it the other way? Is it the other way? Spring now, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show, we got it on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up?
Yelled already?
I'm just switching between the water and the carbs. You want water? I love it stays so cold in the winter.
You don't miss lukewarm electrolytes.
Oh, good times. It builds the mind. One more to go. What's the vibe?
I'm hurting, but we'll make it.
Hurting, but we make it.
Martin, sponsor me.
Get that Morton sponsorship. Me too, please.
Mink on all of my carpets at the house, I walk on clouds. Ain't like a next tell chart 200 a verse, I don't need no vouch. Put my heart on my work, 100%, ain't giving no slouch. Name won't stop, can't quit, I keep giving hits, they can't keep count. Put your auto deep bitch on the all black range, look like it's pound.
There it is. Job done. Last one, fast one. In the words of Clayton Young.
I took it a little too seriously. I took that personally.
We're getting race ready.
In the crowd. Money is hard to keep count. I gotta watch the account. Gotta say that to you, come up, you build it up different, you started without. Now that you look a little different, you live a little different, your house in the mountains. I start kicking my feet, I'm having my feet up on top of the mountain. Peace up, peep at the beat, I'm surfing the streets, we ain't having no draws. Buckle up, give it TC and the crew is elite, they turning the hounds. Double I come with no lease, I send it back home, whip it all through the town. I thought I told you time and time again, this shit won't stop. I bag it show by show, I'm trying to triple and double the pot. Move for at least 6 feet or show up more for him on now. Pooping at 25 rolls, all great.
Before I forget, nice place for it. I was wondering if you would be my groomsman.
No way, dude. How the hell did I just get that on camera, dude? That's so funny.
I got you this bracelet from Mexico.
Dude. Hold on, give me a hug, dude. Look, absolutely. It's my honor, dude. I said yes.
He said yes.
It's not a hookup.